Stop. Do not scroll past this rare 15-cent treasure. It's not just money. It's a pirate's curse broken by a queen's prayer. Watch to the end to see why this coin is a gold mine for you. This is the legendary 1966 series. It was officially issued in 1966 and was used for years across the islands, but today it is not in circulation anymore. It is a discontinued historical treasure, making it more valuable than ever before. Look at the face of Queen Elizabeth II. Why does it say, "God save the Queen"? This was more than words. It was a divine law. In the British Empire, the Queen was seen as chosen by God. This prayer was put on the coin to ensure her protection and to show that this money belongs to the royal crown. Now flip it over. Why does it say Bahama Islands? Because these islands were the world's most dangerous pirate stronghold. See that ship? That is the Santa Maria of Christopher Columbus. He discovered these islands in 1492 and changed the world forever. Above the ship is the royal crown. This crown symbolizes that the pirate Bahama were defeated and the British Empire took total control. Look at the words at the bottom, Expulsis Piratis Restituta Commercia. This is the ultimate secret. It means pirates expelled, commerce restored. This coin was made to celebrate the final victory over the pirates of the Caribbean. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. How much is this 1966 Bahama 15-cent coin worth today? If you have a standard circulated coin, it can sell for anywhere between $5 to $15. But wait, if your coin is in uncirculated, UNC, condition, or has a special luster, the price can jump from $40 to over $100 in the collector's market. And if it's a rare proof strike, like the one in these pictures, its value is even higher to the right buyer. Remember, prices change based on the condition and the buyer's demand. Most 15-cent coins are square, but this round version is a rare collector's dream.